To trade options on the Charles Schwab mobile app, you will first need to download and install the app on your device. Once installed, log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you can open one directly from the app. After logging in, navigate to the Trade tab and select the stock or ETF you want to trade options on. Use the search bar to find the symbol of the security you are looking for. Once you have selected the security, choose the Options tab to view available options contracts. To buy or sell an options contract, select the Buy or Sell button and choose the type of option you want to trade. Either a call or a put. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying security at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the underlying security at the strike price. Next, select the strike price and expiration date of the option. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying security, and the expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. Choose the number of contracts you want to buy or sell, keeping in mind that each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying security. Before placing your trade, review the order details, including the option symbol, strike price, expiration date, and number of contracts. Also, review the quotes and the estimated cost of the trade. If everything is correct, submit your order to buy or sell the options contract. It is essential to understand the risks associated with trading options, including the potential loss of the entire premium paid. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of options trading strategies and to set clear goals and risk tolerance before trading. To manage your options positions, navigate to the Portfolio tab, where you can view your open positions, including options contracts. You can also view the value of your positions, including any gains or losses. To close an options position, select the position and choose the Close button. Charles Schwab also offers educational resources and tools to help you learn more about options trading and to improve your trading skills. These resources include webinars, videos, and articles, and can be accessed directly from the app. By following these steps and using the Charles Schwab mobile app, you can trade options on the go and manage your portfolio with ease. Always remember to trade wisely and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.